This tool helps you boost your TikTok live stream trend automatically. First, select the seeding live stream feature. Paste your live stream link. Set the number of hearts, comments, shares, and the watch time for each account. Then enter the comment content you want your TikTok accounts to send. Finally, choose the TikTok accounts you want to use and press start. From that moment, the software will automatically log into all your accounts. Each account runs in its own separate browser, and each one uses a different network address. This makes every account act like a real user watching your live stream. This process helps increase your live stream viewers, create more comments to build a strong crowd effect, and generate more likes and shares so your live can be pushed into TikTok's trending section. The higher engagement also encourages customers to make buying decisions faster during the live stream. Of course, nothing valuable is free. You will need to pay a license fee to access all the features. But it is absolutely worth it because this tool gives you a clear advantage over most sellers on TikTok. If you find this software helpful for your live stream sessions, leave a comment below this video and I will personally support you in setting it up.